Spinner X is divided into 4 equal sections, and spinner Y is divided into 3 equal sections. The possible outcome for each spinner are shown in the tree diagrams. Both spinners are spun at the same time. What is the probability that the spinner X will land on 2 and spinner Y will land on blue? All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at the outcomes here, the possible outcomes. And so we'll look at spinner X first. Spinner X, okay, the question is asking us what is the probability that it will land on 2? Now there's only 1 2 here, so there's only one opportunity that spinner X will land on 2 out of 4 total outcomes, because you could land, spinner X could get a 1, it could get a 2, it could get a 3, or it could get a 4. So the probability of getting a 2 is 1 out of 4. Now let's look at spinner Y. Okay, spinner Y is, we're looking at what is the probability that spinner Y will land on blue. Okay, so we have 1 blue out of 3 possible outcomes, because you could, when you spin spinner Y, you could land on a red, you could land on a blue, or you could land on a green. So you have 1 out of 3. Now, what is the probability that if you spin them both at exactly the same time, that it's going to land on a 2 and on blue? So the way that you figure this out is you're going to multiply the 2 of those numbers together. So we have 1/4 times 1/3. Okay, and when you multiply fractions, you multiply across. The numerator times the numerator is 1, and the denominator times the denominator here, 4 times 3 is 12. So the probability of spinning both a 2 and a blue at exactly the same time is going to be 1 out of 12.